Hi, welcome back. I just want to say thanks to you guys who are watching my videos. It's great, and also to the new subscribers I've had over the last couple of weeks. It means a lot. So big thumbs up to you a lot. Thank you. Right, let's get cracking today. We've got some big girders what we've acquired. So we're just going to start by getting these holes drilled to mount the actuators. We just need to run down and just try and get all these holes a bit bigger. Perfect. So we just need to do some marks now. Let's have a look. So the step is going to go. And that's where his bottom step will finish here. So I can start by cutting these along these lines, and then we'll shape the little brackets and see how it fits. So I've got this in position now. It seems to, so that bit top step, and then bottom step will go on that bit. So I just need to figure out where I'm going to cut this off. So we'll just get this bolted back together now and see what we're like. So that all seems good. I've cut the bottom like exactly level with the bottom of the axle, but if it catches when you're going over it, I can't see it doing any damage to them. So now, if I just cut another bracket identical, we'll go from there. So we've just finished now, last bracket's cut, so we'll just go bolt these on. So we're just going to cut this same notch out this side. So from this one here, if that says top step, I've got 7.5 inches. Come down, that's 7.5 inches also. So we're going to make us top step 24 inches wide, a top step. So from 24 we need 7.5 that side, 7.5 that side. We've got this checker plate now, so I'm just going to start by scribing this one in, round each corner off. So now I've got this top step on, what I need to do is, before I weld anything, is make sure these are exactly the same, because once I've welded it, I've got to then make sure that the rams are in time together, if you know what I mean, so one don't go slightly back further than the other one, because something will break. So better check measuring and we'll get welded out. So it's just like the grub screws to the top. We'll mark them there. And like I say, once I get my chain on, as long as them points are in that position, I'll be right. Fingers crossed. Right, so next job now, get this box section. I'm just going to cut these back, and then whatever the same overhang is, do that the same on each end. So now this is set up, the distance back to the supports is about roughly 8 inches, so we'll just give that a little bit extra on each side. We'll do the box section now. So just before we start welding the box section on, I've bought these little, they're like little mini spotlights. I'm going to drill along this box section and have lights. I'm going to have 5 lights in it, and then also I'm going to have to drill a hole underneath the lights to be able to put the nut, you know, get to the nut on the back. I'm going to drill these out now and then we'll get welding. Just before we start welding this to the brackets, I need to drill a hole in this point here, put this little like bush down there and try and fish it out with that piece on, and then I can put the conduit, this metal conduit, into there for the wires, you know, to come through. So we'll give that a go. Right, I've got this set up now, so I'm just going to weld there and there. I'll move that, I won't repeat what I said to myself, but that seems to work alright. I'm just going to get these limit switches now. This is the next like little challenge. We're going to have to create maybe another 2 brackets, one for when it opens, one for when it closes. I've got a bit of play here, so we're just going to literally, well, not guess it, but that, if we mount one at the end of that, one at the end of that, once we position them inside the steps, we'll just cut them off accordingly. So if I just mark these up here, put some bolts in them, just mark these. That seems good there. As soon as you hear that little click, that'll be. So I'll just tack weld this in. So I've just noticed when I've opened these steps out, this is going to clash into this. I'm just going to cut that off there. So looking down here now, it's till it opens it's about 1/8 of an inch. So if I position that one about there, and then when that hits that, a bit of sound. So I'll get that in position and weld that up. So right, quickly, I'm just going to wire this limit switch up just to check it, so when it opens and it hits that, it just cuts the circuit off, because I've got no movement in this end. Other end's alright. So I'll just wire this up. It's only temporary. Right, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next one.